workbook there. No workbook there. Phew, no workbook today. Workbook!
I can help you.
Thank you, big ugly hand.
Okay, these are pages 52 and 53 in the Let's Go 3 workbook. And today we're doing the Let's Read part. So that has a phonics section over here, and then on the next page is the story part. We're going to work with swa and st, and in this page it tells us part A says to match and write. Let's just remember what these pictures were from our student books.
SW, swim, swings. ST, student, study.
Okay, now let's match them up. This is a boy at school, so he is a student, which is down here, udent. Draw a line down to udent, and student needs a st. Udent, student. So we'll draw that up to st. The next one, she is swimming, so where's swim? Oh, here's im, so we'll draw over to there. And we can put a swa on it. Swa, im, swim. So that's up here. Number 3, she is studying. So that should be right here. We'll put a st. Study, study. And the last one is right here. Draw that up. And these are swings. So we should say swa, ings, swings. There we go. All done. Now let's do part B. Okay, part B is a little bit more fun. We're just going to take the words from part A and try to find them in this word search. So here we go. They found one for us already. They found student. We've already got student. Now let's see if we can find swings, study, and swim. Here, right here. Here's swim. Swim. All right, swim's gone, so we just need 2 more. Looking for more S's to help us. ST, SU, STS doesn't help us. STR doesn't help us. Oh, look at that. I missed study right here. STUDY. Study. Okay, then we just need to have swings. If you go over some S's. SSS. Oh, SWI. That says SWE. SG doesn't help. Oh, there's SWI. Oh, there we go. SWINGS. Swings. Nice. Part B is done. All right, this is part C, and it just says read. So we're going to read this story here. The title of the story is Busy Brothers. And if I think back to the last unit, I believe we found out that busy means that we have many things in our schedule. We do a lot of different things. All right, let's read about these busy brothers. Number 1, Steve and Stan are brothers. They have busy weekends, but they have fun. Number 2 now. Steve usually practices the piano on Saturday morning. Stan always goes to swim practice. So this is Steve and this is Stan. Number 3, Steve always does gymnastics on Sunday. Sometimes Stan swims on Sunday too. Stan likes swimming. Number 4, they always play video games at 8 o'clock on Sunday night. Okay, and the reading's done. So let's do some questions. Part D is the questions, so it just says answer the questions. Number 1 asks us who practices the piano. So we're looking for a person. We're going to say practices the piano. Let's find out. Steve and Stan are brothers. They have busy weekends. Steve usually practices, there we go. Piano. And who practices the piano? Steve. So we can say this whole sentence. We don't need to say usually. Who practices the piano? Steve. Steve practices the piano. Okay, number 2. What does Stan always do on Saturday morning? Okay, so we're looking for an action here, and we're also looking for Stan, and we're looking for Saturday morning. And this might be a clue word too. Lots of clue words here. Let's find Saturday. This is Saturday. This is number 2 because it's Saturday morning. Where's Stan? Steve. There's Stan. Stan always goes to swim practice. Oh, that's our answer. What does Stan do? Stan's a boy, so we'll just change Stan to he. He always goes to swim practice. All right, let's try number 3. When does Steve do gymnastics? I was looking for gymnastics, and it was here. It says, Steve always does gymnastics on Sunday. So that's the answer we want, because Sunday is a time, so it answers the when part. So we can write he, because Steve is a boy, and then we'll just copy the rest. He always does gymnastics on Sunday. And we're done. Good job.